Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Yes, sirs, we back. Hopped into another project. Onto the new engine. Want to make sure everything is in order so when I do get ready to swap this bad bitch, HR swap will be 110%, right? Let me see. Spiffy, real spiffy. But might start breaking it down a little bit, just doing a little work, a little maintenance, just to make sure everything is a-okay. The first thing or the first line of business, put this back over here. First line of business is I'm gonna get to the headers. I want to repaint them with the header paint. That's like 1800 to 2000 degrees, high heat. So clearly we need to rewrap those. You see it's messy. I took the old header wrap off. I ordered some more fresh DEI titanium header wrap. So we'll be good on that. And yeah, it's looking like we're gonna have to take these off. Take them off, paint them, and let them dry. My next thing probably is to take this piping off. If it comes off, looks like it comes off, should come off. But to take that piping off so I can paint this whole thing a fresh joint of red, so that whole shit'll line up. And I think the next joint I might do after that is paint my valve covers, front and rear. Paint those red. And y'all know how I give it up, team. Once I start getting into shit, I'll be in. So this is what we doing right now. This is a look at it. This is definitely how we about to kick off. Can't wait to get this back into 3.0. About to make history. Have some real fun. You already know. What can I say, team? It definitely needed that new catalytic converter. Pre-cat, I'm sorry. That new pre-cat, because now the 3.0 is pulling real hard now. I'm pretty sure if I got that rear pre-cat and a new cat, shit would be crazy, but we got other things to talk about. Get that into here and we'll be cooking. Y'all already know, team. So y'all already know it's go time. Getting all the materials and everything that I need, you know. We're looking quite all right, team. Real talk. This is about to be a flawless swap. Literally plug and play. So this may take me 2-3 days just to take the whole harness out with the initial harness, not the sub harness, but with the initial harness. Just how I wrapped it here and stuff with the polyester tape. I want to do that to the whole main harness. So everything that I can get to that I haven't wrapped already, I can wrap that. But if I haven't wrapped it already, that's going to be my goal once I get the engine out the car. Preventative maintenance is key. Anything that looks like it needs to be replaced, it is going to get replaced. So just getting everything in order. The few things that I had to touch, in all honesty, was a good look, because now when I'm getting ready to do the HR swap, I know those CV axles is going to come out. I know I shouldn't have too much of a hard time with the motor mounts and stuff like that. Everything else, I just got to take my time. You already know we got the tool game to get it popping. So we're gonna be all right, team. You already know. Lock and load. It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Lock in. All right, team, we back again. You already know the vibe. All right, squadron. So came in. Strap mounts, take off my coilovers. I'm going to just paint the bracket. It's looking a little hurt. Paint that a fresh coat of black. Paint the bolts a fresh coat of black and slap it back on there, team. I know to get to the strut mount, it's really 1, 2, 3 from the stuff that I've went through the last couple of days and taking the stuff off and putting it back on. It should be real quick to snatch the shit off and do it real quick. Let's get to it. All right, squad, brand new strut mounts in. I'm about to lock in the strut bar itself, but yo, should make a difference, man. Like, it really be the small things that makes you fall in love with your build. It makes you want to keep progressing and keep going. Like, it really is a small thing. So really just kill build it, team. What inner and outer tire rods, CV axles. I put in the order for the lower control arms. Those should be in a few days. Strut mounts, and let's take a walk. We got here. Is this my rear camber kit? Oh shit. Let's go, team. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's change gears. Let's swap it from the front, jack up the back. Y'all know what time it is. Lock in. Squadron, what a fight. Wow. Tell y'all, had to break out the guillotine. Like, it was getting bad in there, man. Like, this shit was super stuck. Nah, man. Talking damn near almost 20 years old. I can see why it's stuck. Where's that bolt at? I threw that shit somewhere. There you go. Chuck that shit, man. Fuck that bolt. That ass. Anyway. So, squad. Did the adjustments. I'm making sure these are the exact same length. The holes match up exactly the same. Making sure everything is wavy. I'm gonna install it. Once I install it, from there, I'm probably going to lock down the lock nuts and tighten down the bolts, and we good to go. Let's go, squad. All right, team, I just wanted to give y'all a look at it. SPC, camber kit, passenger side done. Gotta do the driver side, but you can clearly see the difference as far as the thickness in the bar and it being fully adjustable. That's what you need. That's definitely what you need. There we go. So, good to go, squadron. You already should know. Stay locked in. Real life swap. Real life swap. Gonna get this wheel alignment now, but let's get it. There we go, A-team. Y'all already know. Had to bring that to y'all up close and personal. SPC camber kit fully installed. Rear passenger, rear driver. Looking real good. Locked in. It was a hell of a fight. But let me be the first one to tell y'all, well worth it. Well worth it. Let's go. Squadron. Let's see what we got, Mom. Let's get it. You know what time it is. Let's see, we got those out. Just gotta finish getting this bolt right here, that 19. This whole shit is out, baby. Let's swap out these lower control arms. Let's keep it pushing. I thought I was bullshitting. Not at all, bro. Not at all, baby. Trying to get that. Let's get that. And on to the next one. On to the next one. Squadron. Squadron on deck. Just about finished taking this last bow out. Bang this shit to get this out. Yo, good to go. That ass. About to wrap up this driver's side, or we can get to the passenger side, but just the new one. The one with MevoTech. Heavy duty. Supreme. Let's go. Comes with the lock nut and the cotter pin. So let's go. Alright, squad. New joint is in for the most part. I just wanted to grease the 3 bolts that goes in. It's 3 19mm bolts. Damn it. 1, 2, and 3. So just wanted to grease those, put a little grease on the bolt joint. So installation is a breeze. Got the lock nut, cotter pin. Let's finish installing this driver's side and get to the passenger side. Let's go. Just about fully installed. Just gotta tighten the bolts down, team. Cotter pin. Let's go. Let's go. Lock and load. 1, 2, 3. We out. Suspension fully rebuilt, brand new parts, inner and outer tire rods, lower control arms. The only thing I'm missing is brand new CV axles. But let's go get this wheel alignment. Let's get that out the way. So now I don't have to worry about touching anything. When it's time for this HR swap, everything is gonna be super smooth. Let's get it. Wheel alignment. I know what time it is. Green me up, Charlie. Make sure my shit's straight, son. Yeah. Straight. Super straight. Let's go, baby. Wheel alignment complete. Tight like a toiga. The handling is tight. Let's go, baby. Definitely can appreciate it now. Let's go.